So, alright, back at it here. I got a, looks like a power wire over here or something that you gotta get the cover off. I don't quite know how the hell the damn thing comes off because there ain't nothing online that shows you any of this bullshit. Jesus Christ, boy, what a fucking job that was. It's a 10mm. This is definitely a power wire here. So Ford gets a lot of money for doing this. I think Ford should be paying for this kind of a mess up because this is something that's totally unacceptable. I've been restoring cars all my life and I've never seen anything quite so ridiculous as this. Now I gotta stand on my head just to figure out how to get these plugs unplugged. So, and you can't twist this thing around anywhere. Boy, well, at least they're coming out fairly decent. Boy, this is a torture test. Jesus Christ. Not a lot of room here, I can tell you that. Boy. Jesus Christ. I got one that's stuck. This one's stuck. There. That one's done. That one's stuck. Boy. Well, I sure hope these things are all different because, man, I'll tell you what. little bit late, a little after the fact. Trying to make sure that I know where these things all go. This phone, I hate this phone. This phone is a piece of shit. Jesus H. Christ. So, knock it off. I don't know why some of these are so hard to get out. This phone, I hate this fucking phone. This is the iPhone. It's like the 15 Max. It's a piece of shit. I hate it. I don't like it at all. It's nothing but a fucking nightmare. You go to fucking use the camera and it's just such a clusterfuck. It's not even funny. Nothing on it is fucking user friendly. And now we're getting down to the last couple here. And this big one here looks like it has some kind of special lock on it here. Not quite sure how that comes out. I guess you gotta kind of pull it apart there somehow. I guess that's it, hopefully. There, okay. That must be your computer pin. Now, I don't see anything in here that is, I heard people say that water gets in here, and I don't see any water damage here at all. So, I don't know where these people on the internet get their information from, but, you know, I don't know. I suppose maybe some of them could have. But man, I gotta tell you, what a freaking nightmare this is. This is just what I wanted to do. I just bought this truck. I haven't had the truck a month. And I've already put a fuel tank, fuel pump in it. I've already put a, I've already had to fix the evap system. This has got the V10. It's the F-250 2004. And apparently there's a relay in this fuse box that goes bad, and your relay